regulations or guidelines as the case would be. The state shall also bring in health and safety standard regulations to all street vendors, food trucks, and create a mechanism for over the said vigil over it by strict implementation.
Number 2.
Much obliged, Your Worship.
Writ petition stands dismissed. Interim order of any kind subsisting is dissolved. Consequential actions that had been stalled due to the subsistence of the interim order shall now be taken forward by the respondents to their logical conclusion and rehabilitate the slum dwellers without brooking any further delay. The review petition stands rejected.
Number 3.
Allowed cost.
Number 4.
The writ petitions are allowed. The order dated 14/9/2020 passed by the third respondent and the notice dated 14/9/2020 issued thereto, impugned in writ petition 15951 of 2021 stands quashed. The show cause notice dated 16/3/2018 issued by the respondent and the order dated 15/6/2021 passed thereto also stand quashed.
5.
For the petitioner.
Writ petitions are allowed. The circular dated 3/9/2020 impugned in these petitions stand quashed. The petitioners in all these cases become entitled to all consequential benefits that would flow from the quashment of the circular. The quashment of the circular will not come in the way of legislation or imposition of subject fee in a manner known to law. The Karnataka Real Estate Regulatory Authority is directed to consider the application of the petitioner in writ petition 4770 of 2024, seeking withdrawal of registration without insistence of delay fee, bearing in mind the observations made in the course of the order. Yes.
Much obliged.
Field number 6.
Finding no merit in the petition stands rejected. Huh?
One railway attachment order is there.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆದು ಒಂದು ಮಂಡೆಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಫೈಲ್ಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ
ಕೊಡಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಎಸ್.
7.
For response number 1, my lords.
Dismissed. Yes. In the peculiar facts.
Award has been set aside, so the consequence I may not.
We'll see. Oh, yeah. Yes. ಅದೇ ಹೌದು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಓ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಅದೊಂದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Please, bullets.
Announcement
Yes,
of orders
Girish,
pertaining to
one.
Dharwad bench.
ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಕವರ್
Number 1.
ಬೇರೆ. Allowed notifications quashed.
Much obliged.
230 moved matters. Orders. Seal number 1. Shri
Manu.
K.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಯಾಕೆ?
ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ 230 ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳು ಹಾಕಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದಾಗಿ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes.
My lords, I purchased the property in an auction by the bank under the SARFASI Act. As on the date of purchase, there was no litigations revealed to me. Thereafter, my lords, it comes to my notice.
Bank has hoodwinked you, is it?
Bank has hoodwinked me. My lords, the issue is
normal. Bank wants to wash off its hands. They hoodwink
bank
anybody.
did wash off their hands. They said that we were not aware of it and therefore you are responsible for
seriously. Due diligence is not done by the bank.
My lords,
What's the interim order you have sought?
My lords, the interim order I sought is as against, my lords, the issue is this. Issue is that the borrower from the bank, his vendor had entered into a compromise petition and decree was passed, which resulted in an execution. And my lords, now that I stand in a footing where I have paid
the auction purchaser.
I am the auction purchaser, my lords. I sought for an interim order as against the decree holders, that to the effect that there must be one, my lords.
Decree hold. When did you purchase the property?
My lords, I purchased it in 2023, my lords.
Bank auction, na?
Oh, the bank auction.
Compromise yarar nadve aaytu?
Compromise bandu borrower's vendor
and the bank.
Borrower's vendor and an agreement for sale holder.
What happened to the mortgage?
My lords, mortgage was in place. My lords, the compromise happened.
Now you have neither the property nor money.
So I am in my lords.
Now what have you sought?
My lords, I have sought for, I have filed a petition, a suit for cancellation of the compromise decree as being collusive, and also alternatively I have sought for recovery of the sum from the bank, based on my lord's decision in Paramount.
Yes.
Based on that, I have sought that. Now, my lords, I filed 3 applications. One, that the effect of the compromise petition should be
stayed. The petitioner is the auction purchaser. The auction is conducted by the first respondent, LIC Housing Finance Limited. The bank appears to have ignored due diligence while granting finance to the while issuing a notification seeking sale of the property which was the subject matter of mortgage, the loan of which had become sticky. The due diligence, the non-conduct of due diligence has led the petitioner to be in the crossfire of a compromise decree between the parties and the bank now washing off its hands. Therefore, the petitioner seeks to again reject agidya adu?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಇಂಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. As against one of them not granted. Now, my lords,
the petitioner then institutes a suit seeking the compromise decree not being applicable to him or otherwise, and in the said suit seeks an injunction against the defendants therein, which is not granted by the concerned court.
Lords, partly granted against 4 decree holders, 1 it is granted. Now, as of yesterday, my lord, in the execution,
the
when the matter
council
is posted,
submits that that as against 4 decree holders, only against 1 the
interim order is not granted.
Injunction is not granted.
Status quo as to possession anta madidro.
Injunction is not granted. Therefore, there shall be an injunction as the petitioner has prayed for in these cases, in both these cases.
I am confronted with a very unique scenario. Page 116 of my writ petition. Yesterday, the execution court, although I had posted a memo for it to be posted before the same court where the execution is pending. Yesterday, both the matters were listed. Now, my lords, the execution court has passed an order directing police protection, my lords. Therefore, all I'm asking is, let the compromise decree's operation be stayed, my lords. That way,
in the light of they said circumstance of the auction purchaser's fate hanging in balance due to the act of alleged collusion of the parties to the list and the bank at prima facie hoodwinking the auction purchaser without due diligence, the all further action pursuant to the compromise shall remain stayed till the next date. Yes, list the matter petitioner to serve on the council representing the respondents before the concerned court and take out hand summons upon the bank, the first respondent. List the matter on 17th October.
My lords, in the second matter, they were on caveat. The decree holders were on caveat.
It's all right. Same order. Next.
My lords, in this, no interim order is granted. No interim order is granted. Therefore, I'm asking for interim order. That fact,
idral ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Emergent, the petitioner shall serve on the council who represents the respondent in the trial proceedings. There shall be an injunction as sought for which is not granted by the concerned court at the hands of this court till the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
Number 3.
In a suit for injunction, my lords, I file an application under order 39 rule 1 and 2. That comes to be allowed after hearing both the parties. That comes to be allowed on 22/3/2025, my lords. Annexure C. My lords, thereafter, my lords, court also gives in that order, my lords, court gives a finding that defendants have not produced any document to show that they are in possession of that property. Thereafter, my lords, on a particular day in the month of July, my lords, I visit the property to clean the property, my lords. At that
Clean the
time,
property?
Yes, my lords. It's a
Ah.
vacant site. My lords may find the photograph.
ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದಾಗ?
ಏನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. At that time there was again interference by the defendants. Therefore I file an application seeking for police protection. Immediately after filing of the police protection, after a lapse of 4 months of the passing of the interim order, they file an application for review. After filing an application for review, they also file an application seeking for modification and recalling of
ಏನ್
the order.
ಕೇಳಿದಾರ ಸರ್?
Now my application for police protection is kept in abeyance by posting the
The
matter for orders on
petitioner, the concerned court, the petitioner is before the court on the grievance that the police protection, application for police protection is kept in abeyance. Therefore, the concerned court shall answer the application within 2 weeks from
Malads,
today.
Malads,
Yes.
matter is this, Malads, that
ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಕೆಳಗೆ
court
ಮೂವ್
has
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
already-
ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡೋದು ನಾನು.
ಹೌದು, court has already heard on that application. It may
ಒಂದು
be
ವಾರ.
ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡು.
1 week from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. We'll release it after 1 week.
Malads, Malads,
Yes,
Malads,
sir,
the
yes, sir.
implication is this, Malads, that it's
Yes,
a vacant site. I'm unable to protect the property by virtue of the interim order. It becomes a paper order, Malads.
Protection ಗೆ police ಕರಿಬೇಡಿ.
Malads, I'm unable to protect my property. There is an interim order in my favor that he should not come and interfere with my
Correct.
peaceful possession.
You
What
don't
he
know the
does-
consequences. You'll not be able to get your property only.
Malads, what happens is this, Malads,
Yes.
if at all, if I'm dispossessed from the property, my suit fails. Right over there.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Because
ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ
possession is the
ತೀರ್ಮಾನ
primary
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
criteria.
ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ.
Allah, please, Malads,
Court will not take up unless I upload it.
Malads, for that reason, Malads, let it not be on the receipt of the certified court. I may be permitted to inform the court tomorrow itself, Malads, because ensuing vacation, Malads,
Information without a document, they will not listen. Anyway, yes. Ordered. Next.
Number
Grateful.
4. Anil Kumar R.
Against the ad interim order, my lords, not granting the stay, suit for partition, my lords. Sought for a temporary injunction, my
Not
lords,
to alienate.
not to alienate and create encumbrance.
Emergent notice to the respondents. The respondents shall not alienate the suit schedule properties till the next date of hearing.
Or even create charge, my lords, mortgage ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Not to alienate. Yes.
Mr. Number 5.
Lord, this is a case, Lord, well, 311 application was filed, Lord, which came to be.
CC number ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ಯಾ?
ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ?
Lord, 336 ಏನೋ ಇದೆ, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
336 ಏನೋ ಇದೆಯಾ?
3342 of 2023 ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
9 ಇಲ್ವಾ?
33429 of 2023 ಮಲ್ಲ. But CC number ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. 1798. Malad could see at page number 14, Malad. Page number 8, annexure A, order sheet, Malad.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್? ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
1782 of 23, Malad.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧನೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
1782
of 23, Malad.
ಇದೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಗ?
Correction. Malad, meanwhile, Malad, there were 2 petitions filed.
ಈಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೋಣ.
Yes, ma'am.
The petitioner has filed an application seeking, has moved the matter for correction of the CC number which has been inadvertent, an inadvertent typographical error has crept in while making a mention about the CC number. The CC number ought to have been 1782 of 2023. Yes.
Malad,
Correction be effected accordingly.
There is another matter, Malad, 6810 of 2020.
ಅದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ?
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ.
Malad, I moved the memo also fresh.
Yes. Fresh ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes, next.
Hearing
Tarun.
comments. Withdrawal.
In terms of,
Filing memo for withdrawal.
thank you, sir. Yes. 4 more.
Appeals.
4 more.
Further hearing.
Criminal appeals though.
One 62.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 7.
The 141 minute may be taken up after vacation. maybe urgent.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
143 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್.
43 ಮಾಡರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 143
ಅದು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ತಗೊಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಧಾರವಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾವು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. Sorry. I got in this part just going to dictate it.
That will continue. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್?
146.
Can you wait then? Wait ಮಾಡಿ.
Serial number 198, Milord, and this is for dictating orders, Milord.
Where?
Today at 4 o'clock, Milord. 198.
I will try to dictate. Wait.
Please, Milord,
Yes.
wait on this mining matters.
ಇದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತು. ಬೇಡವಾ ಸರ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ನನಗೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ನಾಯಕ್
ಇದಾರೆ
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೋ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ನಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಟೂ ಮೆನಿ ಲಾಯರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೇರ್
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ.
ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಬೇರೆ ಲಾಯರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಡಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಡಿ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸೋ ಅದು ಇದು
ನೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇರೋದ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವ್ದು 7A ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಗಳ 7A ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಆಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ 7A ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡ್, ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ರಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂತಾಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎಸ್ ವೇಟ್
Immediately after.
ಯಾವುದು ಪಾಷಾ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ all Milord in the same.
ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇದೆ.
No, I may not be here after vacation. That's the whole problem.
ಅಲ್ಲ ತಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು.
That's all right.
We will come.
Last time also you were there. Yes.
In fact, for many cases, my lord, when my lord was sitting in the Dharwad.
Yes, yes, I know, sir.
Everybody, no, we have no hesitation, absolutely no hesitation.
Yes.
And we feel it a great honor.
No, you can come on VC also. That I'm not forcing you to
We feel it
come
a great
there.
honor to appear before your lordship wherever my lord sits. Now that your lordship has heard us in part, let it continue as a part-head case.
Yes, this is on by special order anyway.
Special order,
But
please.
part head and special order ಎಲ್ಲ part head ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
ಹೌದು.
Then
ಒಂದು
24ಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ 23ಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ?
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಾಸನೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ.
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅದೇನೆ
ಈ ತಿಂಗಳ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್
ರಜೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ರಜಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 15ರವರೆಗೆ ರಜಾ ಇದೆ.
As my lord pleases, whatever date my lord suits my lord's convenience, we are there before your lordship.
ಸರಿ, we'll post it on 24th.
Please.
ಅವತ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಬೇಕು.
First, your lordship would be hearing us only on the preliminary issue which my
That's
lord.
what, that is why I posted it. Otherwise, I would have.
No, that is a very important and serious issue, my lord. I also
No,
examined.
because he said.
No, he is right. According to me, my lord, ultimately we are bound by your lordship's decision. What he said, virtually he has sought for remittal of the.
That's what he said.
Yes,
If
yes,
that
but-
is accepted, then other things
Not,
need not be
your
gone
lordship need
into.
not hear us on the merits of the matter. Probably I may also, my lord, support his cause. Everyone. Because I was.
Correct.
able to
See,
get
if that order goes, then it has to go back
Yes,
there.
it has to go back.
Has to go back.
It has to go back.
In the trial court also. The learned trial judge, he ignored it and passed the judgment.
That's what I see in the orders.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಮೇಲೆ I think this would assume all the importance. It is only on behalf of Mr. Nagen Naik's client. A1 is charged under section 409 read with 120B. That is the only charge against him. He is convicted for 379 and 420. But without a charge being there, no charge.
No, so many lacunae I find in the order.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ Mr. Nagen Naik may be justified in requesting your lordship to hear him on the question of remittal of the matter back to the trial.
So if all of you are on that, we'll go on the periphery. If all of you are on merits, then we'll have to delve deep into it.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು the funniest thing is, but I don't know how far I would be justified in making this submission. 6 cases, witnesses are examined. In each case, my lord, cut and paste. That is impermissible, is the law that is laid down by the Supreme Court.
That you need not give a judgment for that.
Alala,
It's too rudimentary that you should.
Alala, trial in each case, the accused are charged of having committed certain offense in each case, separately.
I feel it was written in a hurry, if you see the order.
But what 464 mandates is where it causes prejudice to the accused in a criminal.
Definitely, it's not, see, offense may be anything, accused may be anybody. It should be after following due process of law, and the judgment also is a part of the due process of law. That's all.
And ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ concurrent finding ಇಲ್ಲ, 42 ವರ್ಷ ಜೈಲು. All these things may happen in USA and other courts, my lord. ಅಲ್ಲಿ concurrent finding ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ.
Must have drawn inspiration from.
Where the person who has drawn the major, he is an accused, and that major is used against me, saying that.
Where it's still pending.
Yes, 3 cases are still pending. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ, as my lord has pointed out, we will address arguments or make our submissions.
I think he has a difficult job.
Try to overcome it.
I'll overcome.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, first accused conspiracy, now 2 to 6 also are conspirators. Number 1, I'm just giving a bird's eye view of what the learned trial judge has done. Conspiracy for having committed an offense of 409, that is public servant committing an act of criminal breach of trust and misappropriation. That is the only charge against him. 379 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? If he has committed an offense of criminal breach of trust, I could not have removed it without his knowledge or consent. But conspirator, I am a conspirator for that offense. If I am a conspirator for that offense of his swindling the public
No, but
property.
very interesting questions will have to be answered here.
That's right.
Only, even if it is traveling only on the periphery, there are interesting questions to be answered where there is no concrete law.
ಆಮೇಲೆ 9 single FIR, 9 charge sheets, charges are same in all the 6. No.
Not brave, neither based on exporter or based on material, nor even shipment. One charge, one page of.
And the order of the Supreme Court is further investigation, that's all, in relation to that crime.
Allah, that I'm aware, yes.
No. On that day, my lord, we will make our submissions. If your lordship is persuaded to accept our submissions, probably we need not trouble your lordship on the merits.
That's what Nagendra Naik told. So I had posted this. Tavu ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ that we will also toe the lines of.
I will certainly supplement.
Pasha sir is also saying he will also toe.
I will supplement to his.
We will travel on the periphery and answer everything. If need to delve deep, we'll see.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ illegality. Enmass
ಅಲ್ಲ,
illegality.
ಪಾಷಾ ಸರ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ mass illegality.
We will be before your lordship on 24th of October.
Yes, if that should not be a problem, I guess. Yes. 23rd ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 23rd.
ಇನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. My learned friend wants to submit to your lordship. My lord, here also a case of an approver. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ರೂವರ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ 164 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
That is covered by
your lordship's judgment which came to be affirmed by the Supreme Court. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ
164 after trial cannot come at all.
164 ನಲ್ಲಿ during the course of the investigation
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು.
the crime ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Once the trial commences, that right gets arrested. Yes, that will 24 sir. Any change, we will notify you. In case I'm sitting here only, then we will.
Not wherever my lord sits, we are there.
Yes, sir. That will continue, sir. Entry order in all the cases will continue. Really, suspension, sentence suspend ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನ್ entry order?
Not even conviction is stayed.
I have stayed everything here.
Yes. The Andhra Pradesh High Court has followed my lord's order and stayed the.
ಹೌದು ಅದೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಎಸ್.
Janardhan Reddy case nalli Andhra Pradesh High Court has followed your lordship's order. It is nothing but a carbon copy of my lord's order where conviction came to be stayed. Because
No,
your
with
lordship
this,
has dealt with it at length.
No, with the facts being shrouded with such illegality, or the order rather. What
But,
can-
my learned friend, Mr. Prasanna should in fitness of function in fairness say, otherwise, my lord, ultimately it may end in acquittal. He must thank us. No, we are seeking for remand. Nagen
ಅಲ್ಲ
Naik is
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
saying,
ಈಗ
for
ಅವ್ರ
remand.
ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ same thing, my lord, same thing. If the charges are not properly framed, I am entitled for acquittal. Convicted in relation to an offence in respect of which charge has not been framed at all.
ಬೇಸಿಕ್
I'll answer, my lord.
Charge ಆಗಿರೋ offence conviction ಇಲ್ಲ.
That's deemed acquittal.
Probably.
Deemed acquittal.
As my lord has put it in a lighter way, and probably in a post hurry, it looks to me like that. Not that the learned judge, my lord, is an intelligent, very brilliant judge, intelligent judge.
No, correct. Sometimes that is why it is said, delayed is denied, hurried is buried. Yes,
Otherwise, he is a very, very highly intelligent.
yes.
Please.
So 24th, any change will notify.
Please.
Madam,
Serial number 180.
But I'll wait.
For the hearing.
Yes, Prasanna Kumar sir.
One fast over it.
ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು
Please.
ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್
That's serial.
Serial number 174, madam.
ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್. ವೇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವಿಂಟರ್ ಮೋಡಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್.
Date may be fixed.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಇದ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು 7A ಯಾವುದು ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್
143, there's a possibility, my lord, because Mr. Vikram will go.
wait I'll take it.
160.
You should wait ಅಷ್ಟೇ. If you're prepared to wait, I'll take it. Yes.
My lord, serial number 195. AST SV Raju is also, sir.
105
195. My lord.
195 ಅದು ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ 195 ಗೌರವ್ wait we'll call it. Yes.
Okay.
166 after it.
166 ಯಾವ್ದಿದು ಎಲ್ಲ 7 ಏನ ಮೇಡಮ್? This is that BDA matter. 31st. Except 7A, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ will post it on that.
168.
Petitioner, my lord.
Sorry, 167.
Has covered this.
What?
This is that Santosh Hospital, my lord.
Ah.
Tamde order ಇದೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Covers this. One more judgment, my lord.
ಯಾರು ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್? Same order, same co-accused.
Alla, this is not that matter, my lord.
Oh, this is where I granted an interim order.
For 3 years back, my lord.
Santosh Hospital has come out, is it?
I will release that, I produced it.
Oh, ಇದು.
Jagdish sir.
Where is my order?
60.
ಇಲ್ಲ, yes.
Last one, my lord.
ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? You want to see? We'll grant you time till Tuesday ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. It's a detailed order.
In this, my lords, the incident is supposed to have taken place in Ibar.
I've stayed it anyway.
Alla,
Huh? ಯಾವುದು? ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್.
alla, my lords, in this.
ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ದು. ಅದು ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಮ್ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 5 varieties they have consumed ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You go off if that 5 broad spectrum drugs are consumed at once. Well, I have not written that anyway. Yes. When you consumed, they are taken for urine analysis immediately. That's not a part of the charge sheet. That's a different thing. Mardak, the Santosh Hospital gives 5 different drugs are found in the urine samples. Correct. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ because they no in the blood it stays for long, not in those in the sample.
My lords, in fact, in our case, my lords, 1:45 a.m.
on a Sunday night or on a Monday
No,
early
that
morning.
type, detailed order I have passed in your case.
What I'm trying to say is, they say that one of the offenses invoked is cultivates cannabis. Can I, as a customer, go and grow a plant in Park Hotel?
ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ charge.
Cultivates cannabis ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು.
Cultivating cannabis in iPark Hotel.
ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Again, the test my lord saw from the case papers were summoned. The test is only at 8 p.m. 5 a.m. they would invoke this and say MDMA.
No, this is a detailed order. It will cover most of the NDPS cases.
In fact, I've produced 2-3 other coordinate bench orders also saying truth labs cell, there is no truth. That is also there.
No truth in truth labs. Yes. All right. In Nodebudi, I'll take it on Tuesday. List on Tuesday. We'll close it on Tuesday. Mantesh, ನೀವು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes. ಅದು 168 ನಮ್ದು 168.1.
ಸರಿ. Yes. 167 ಯಾರ್ದು?
167 before respondent number 2.
ಏನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು?
A date
After
may be
vacation?
fixed, please, my lord.
Yes. We'll fix a date, but after vacation ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. List after vacation IO.
Melody in 168 intermodal.
The intermodal 168 and 168 ಮಾತ್ರ list on Tuesday, madam. Tuesday intermodal continues.
167.
You make a mention, we'll close it. Jagdish sir will be there, we'll close it. Even if it is 6 o'clock, we'll close it and go. Yes.
Serial number 152, my lord.
167.
No, wait, I'll come back to that.
167 interim order.
Seriously, continues.
169.
My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. Sir, LOC matter.
You just see that NDPS order I have passed now. Next is your case will come now. Yes. That's
Lord,
even
what-
more deep. The other one, that will come. Our it's yes.
My lord, 169 is LOC matter, my lord.
31st, yes.
My lord,
matter.
can it be on top of the board, my lord? He is not traveling for the past 6 years, my lord.
Where do you want to go, sir?
My lord,
Don't
he
tell me
wants-
Thailand. Yes.
No, my lord, it can be on the top of the board, my lord, please.
Yes, sir. We'll take it. 31st.
On top of the board, my lord.
Yes, sir. Board
Let's
will top.
order may be extended in this matter.
That will
Obliged.
extend. Yes. Next.
170.
ಏನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಇದು ಸಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ರೇಟಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್.
The file is misplaced in our office.
ಓ ಇದು PSI ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್. ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
171 adjourned. 172.
172 is that Gubi land scam.
The beneficiaries are not made accused in this. Only this beneficiary is made an accused.
No, investigation is pending. I
After
have filed my
vacation.
synopsis, my lord.
List.
Well, I'll
Based
tell
on-
you one request, my lord. The interim order on investigation of some of these people. And we have invoked PC Act as well now.
You do whatever you want.
Permission to continue investigation.
Stay ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Then we'll hear it and do it. Yes. List on 31st. Yes. Next.
170.
ಓ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ.
Oh,
173.
so many cases. Yes, we'll see.
173.
173. Release. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Release the matters from the status of being part heard, post the matter before the bench having roster. Interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
174.
Prasanna Kumar.
Petitioner in 174.1, my lord.
What is this?
This is with regard to the bank and the borrower.
Other that landmark mall.
Yes, yes.
Release the matter from the status of being part heard, post the matter before the bench having roster. interim order subsisting would continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
75.
It's the matter pertaining to, my lord, 7 years delay in 376 Swamiji's matter, my lords, where I've already given the entire synopsis and written argument also.
List on 31st.
31st.
Interim order subsisting will continue. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಏನೋ ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, everything is covered in the synopsis, my lords. All the cases which are there against.
List on 31st. Yes, next.
176.
For the respondent. Italy.
Remove bird facts in this case. Initially a stay was granted saying that it's a commercial transaction and civil dispute. But the bird fact has been invoked. That is not brought to the knowledge of this court.
I will take it on same day. Yes, 31st.
177.
For the petitioner in this matter, my lord. This is a doctor's matter, my lord, where
Doctor's
report was supposed to be filed.
Now the inquiry has been done. It has to get approval from the minister. We need some more time.
Leonard, additional SPP submits that pursuant to the earlier orders, inquiry has been conducted against the doctors and the report is being awaited. List the matter on 31st. Report of
Can I have the benefit
inquiry
of
be
that
placed
report,
before
my
the court on the next date. Yes. Interim orders, interim protection granted to the petitioner shall
ಇದು
continue.
further orders ಗೂ ಇದೆ. Further orders.
ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಬೇಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಡ.
Please.
178.
My lords, appearing for the respondent number 2 in this matter, my lords.
Petitioner ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಿದು? ರಘು ಅಂಡನ.
They have given collateral security which is not there in existence.
170. Release the matter from status of being part heard. List the matter before the bench having roster. Interim order, if any, shall continue
No,
to
my
the
lords,
next.
there is no interim order in this matter.
That will also continue, sir. Yes.
179 disposed. 180.
For the respondent, my lords, synopsis.
List on, we'll take it on 30th, 31st.
My lords, anytime before vacation, sir.
Early the
Short
time,
matter.
sir. Where is the time, sir?
8th, my lords.
8th, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I don't know the planetary positions after vacation.
To 10th, my some difficulty.
Correct, see? Because again, continuous vacation ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. We'll post it. Date ಕೊಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಮೇಡಮ್. After vacation ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರಿ, we'll post, I'll give a date. Yes.
181.
For petitioners, my lords, this is a Banshankari further stage, my lord. It could be reserved for orders.
Banshankari?
Further extensions, my lords.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್? one cell number?
181, my lords.
ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಡಿ.
Please, my lords. It was had, my lord, even the respondents say.
2019. Here ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. Anyway, let it come.
Even respondents informed, my lord, could be posted for orders, my lords.
Yes. List after vacation. Next.
182.
Release ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Madam, the release from the status of being parted posted by matter before the bench having LKD. Yes, next.
Lords, this verdict, my lord, could be reserved, please.
No, sir. Let it come.
182.
Abdul.
Lord,
I appear for the respondent.
Same.
Please.
Next.
183.
Respond number 3, my lord. Earlier matter was.
2022 da. ಇದು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. Well, Shankar Reddy. Let it be. We'll post it after vacation. Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, next.
184.
Yes, Basaraj sir.
Clerks Association. That my colleague Srimati Kirti Reddy has prepared an excellent representation to the government. Even we have doing their job. So let them give a representation to the government. The legislation requires amendment. That additional stamp. In the meanwhile, the cost is being imposed by this court is diverted to the fund. And when the government
ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
ಹೌದು ತಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So let them give the representation to the government, seeking amendment on par with Telangana and Tamil Nadu. So
We'll
that
direct the government to look into it. The learned
They
counsel,
they should give the representation to the government.
the learned counsel,
also to the law commission.
ಅದು ಅಡ್ಜರ್ನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ. He is wanting to get some benefit for you. Yes, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that they would submit a representation to the state to seeking bringing in an amendment to the act. ಯಾವ್ದು act ಅದು?
Karnataka Advocates Welfare Fund Act.
Karnataka Advocates Welfare Fund Act. The representation shall be submitted in the next 2 weeks. In the event the said representation is submitted, the state shall look into it and take necessary action within 4 weeks thereafter. List the matter on 31st October for further hearing.
185.
The MCPC release the matter from status of being ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? Release the matter from the status of being part heard, post the matter bench having lost. Next.
186.
I appear for the petitioner in this matter, my lord.
This is trophy, animal trophy da. No, a list on 31st. Next.
My lordships, this 186, my lords, is the matter for the grant of 2 acres of alternate land, my lords, where direction was issued to the Forest Department and Revenue.
Let's list on after vacation. Next.
187.
Shanti Bhushan.
Interim order may be kindly extended, my lord.
Yes, madam. After vacation. Sir, we'll see. Yes.
188.
ಇದು 7A ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ರಿಲೀಸ್ 7A madam. Release the matter from the status of being part heard. Post the matter before the bench having roster. Interim order, if any, will continue. Next.
189.
Ayappa.
That matter put into hydro ganja linked to this, that judgment which is
that
due.
will come. Yes, wait. After vacation.
Yes, yes.
Isn't after vacation ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Before vacation, you'll get that.
Gratefully.
190.
Same order, madam. Post matter before release from part.
191.
ಇದು ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು
Reopening
ಅಲ್ಲ
and
ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
The one issue, my lord, that this lady with the brother of the accused number 1, the allegation is that initially 4 accused was there. Subsequently, the complainant made as an accused, who is the son of the deceased. Now, post his death, she files a representation. In fact, she filed a complaint about the death of her brother as well, saying that the death of her brother was a murder. That was investigated by CID. CID filed a report saying that it was a natural death. Knowing well it's a natural death, she filed a false complaint before CID. This is also such case, my lord, where now to extract money from the other side, she files this representation. And it is not that the accused number 1 himself confesses before another person saying that incident happened and I, in a rage, attacked my mother. And based on that, and the entire phone was recovered, and the conversation between him and the other person has been recovered.
Pass orders.
Well, in one aspect in this, they arrest the accused, they record the voluntary statement, they do the recovery. 3 months, they don't do further investigation. They wait till this accused comes up on record. Then they discharge these accused, bring him as an accused. When there's another statement made telling that this person might have done, they could have registered another crime, could have investigated, and they could have filed a B report in this and in this charge sheet. They club the other complaint in this and further investigate into this. And further submissions has to be made.
And the
short date may be given.
And the doctor's opinion also speaks about the weapon.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that further submissions have to be made in the case at hand with regard to certain facts that are left out at the time when the matter was heard. We'll give a date later. List after vacation.
192.
ಏನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು?
ಶಾಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ?
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ.
ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ? ಎಲ್ ರಜತ್? ಎಸ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್.
93.
193 is case of wiretapping by CBI without the approval of the review committee.
Covered by my order.
Dr. Mannan. In this case, they have filed amendment.
Mannan ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
They have filed an appeal. There is no stay, still pending. In this minutes, they have filed amendment application notes seeking for quashment of entire proceedings. The prayer did not ask for quashing.
We'll see after vacation. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of year.
Please.
194.
94 need to be disposed of. Charge sheet has been filed.
Charge sheet file ಮಾಡಿದಾರ?
For the petitioner, your lordship, I need to seek
You want to
instruction.
You have not implicated them.
Not been implicated.
We have not seen the charge sheet, your lordship. We have not given the.
Not seen the charge.
ಇಬ್ರು ಎರಡು petition ತಾವೇ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು?
ನ್ಯೂ ಹೊರೈಸನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್.
ಎರಡು ಯಾವ್ದು? ಒಂದೇನಾ?
ಹೊರೈಸನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Then same order. You not seen the charge sheet. You are not accused, I believe.
I am making a statement that they are not accused.
Yes. ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. Same order.
Lordship, I seek a short date, your lordship.
You are not accused at all. The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. The learned counsel appearing for the learned additional SPP would submit that the police after investigation have filed a charge sheet in which the petitioners are not implicated, or rather dropped from the array of accused. In that light, the petition does not survive for any further consideration, reserving liberty to the petitioner to knock at the doors of the court. In the event of need, the petition stands disposed.
195.
ಅದೇ ಇದು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Interim orders.
196.
Next week,
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ. ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಮುಗಿಬೇಕಿದು. ಎಸ್.
197.
ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ? ಇದು ಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ AAG ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. 30 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆನ್ ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ. ಎಸ್, ಇದೆರಡು 196, 197 ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಮೇಡಮ್.
198.
Please, my lords, the petitioners that heard this matter extensively, my lords.
Exactly, sir.
Please.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ?
I'm in my lord's hands. My lords had asked for a convenience compilation, my lords. I'm just filing that along with the synopsis.
You have filed?
I'm filing it.
Good. I Thursday ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
Please, my lords.
We'll look into it. And
Please, my lords.
list on 25th, madam.
Grateful, my lords. Obliged.
Another idea?
Other matters approved.
Yes, sir. Password ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Serial number 152, my lord.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬರೀ 37. 137 ನಾ?
37, no, right?
37.
Like 37, I appear for the petition.
Yes, sir.
Like this challenge is, my lord, without even referring it to the court, the land acquisition officer passes an award in favor of the respondent. My lord, in this case, my lord, the landowners, my lord, have entered into an agreement of sale, taking 100% sale consideration. My lord, they have also executed a registered power of attorney. My lord, when the notification was issued, my lord, we filed our objection saying that the entire money has been received. Please hear us while passing an award. My lord, without hearing us, without even referring it to the court under section 18, my lord, they propose to give this 40% of the developed area to the landowners. That's what the issue before your lordships, my lord. Now some of the respondents, my lord, unfortunately are not served. We do not know the address, my lord. That's the reason why it is come. My Lord friend appears to have stated, my Lord.
ಈ
it's covered by a
ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್
judgment.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಟೇ ಏನಿಲ್ವಾ?
Stay there. There is a direction
ಹಾ.
that they should not precipitate the matter is the interim order granted by this court.
Yes, sir.
Lord, this matter has been already covered by the honorable, the judgment of the honorable Supreme Court, my Lord.
ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
Paragraph number 45, my Lord, in so far as the petitioner is concerned.
ಸೇಮ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್?
Same petition. Lord, he does not challenge the acquisition before this honorable
I'm sorry,
court.
my Lord, that's
Lord, one
nothing to do
second,
with
one
that, my
second.
Lord.
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ,
Yes.
I'll get back to you.
Let me just make a submission. Lord, the petitioner, my Lord, does not challenge the acquisition at all. Thereafter, my Lord, when the matter reaches the honorable Supreme Court, my Lord, he files an impleading application. And his application came to be dismissed, saying that, my Lord, may I read, my Lord, section, very small paragraph.
Love, who is the petitioner here?
My Lord, may I just submit, my Lord?
Petitioner is, my Lord, agreement holder, my Lord.
Agreement holder.
Agreement holder.
Sir, my Lord, he is an agreement holder.
1985, my Lord,
ಆಯ್ತು,
20
ಹಾ.
up to 27.
He has-
ಬಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೇಳಿ
The
ಸರ್.
petitioner, my Lord, has entered into an agreement of sale, and my Lord, they have also given a registered power of attorney. My Lord, this without noticing, my Lord, this land was notified Trinity House Building Cooperative Society. My Lord, this honorable court, my Lord, they set aside the acquisition on the ground, acquisition in favor of Trinity House Building Cooperative Society on the ground that the under chapter 3 acquisition cannot be done. It was upheld by the Supreme Court. My Lord, thereafter,
So
my Lord,
acquisition is set aside, land is back to the landowners.
landowners, my Lord.
Correct?
Yes.
You are an agreement holder at what stage of the acquisition?
Agreement, my Lord, they just my agreements, my Lord, I have produced.
Date, acquisition
I will
date
give the
ಹೇಳಿ
date,
ನಿಮ್ಮ
my Lord.
ಇದು ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕು.
19/1
The learned single judge has set aside the acquisition.
19/1/1995.
Doing the pendency.
It's, when did you enter into an agreement, sir?
19/1/1995, 1991, my Lord. 95, my Lord.
1995, after the preliminary notification.
No, my Lord, it is of course, after the preliminary notification, my Lord, there was no final notification issued.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes. My Lord, now, the GPA was
Now
executed.
what are you agitating here?
Agitating, my Lord, the award, I am also a person interested
Eh?
under section 18, my Lord, for passing an award.
Oh.
Now, without referring it to the court, the land acquisition officer gives the 40% of the developed area to the landowners, even after producing this, the
ಈಗ
agreement of
ಎಷ್ಟು
sale.
ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್
Entire, all these lands, my Lord,
ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್?
100% it is sale consideration is paid.
During the acquisition is set aside.
My Lord, acquisition is set aside. Now, VD has notified, my Lord, subsequently. After setting aside for the Trinity House
When
Building Cooperative
when
Society,
was the acquisition set aside?
set aside, my Lord, I have produced a copy
ಈಗ
of the order. That is, my Lord,
suit and ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. Because suit is not maintainable, my Lord. This was set
Suit
aside
is
by
not
the,
maintainable for what, sir?
the suit is, my Lord, claiming.
Agreement of sale, sir.
Yes, my Lord, claiming the
Specific performance ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಾ?
specific performance was not filed because there was a notification issued by the, my Lord, this court set aside the preliminary final notification on 11/6/1996.
Anyway, that is affirmed by the Supreme Court.
That is affirmed by the court. My Lord, subsequently, the very same lands are notified by the BDA for the Sir M. Vishweshwaraya layout. So now this, I have produced the notification, but kindly see the agreement of sale, my Lord. The agreements of sale, my Lord, I have produced at page,
An agreement of sale with complete consideration.
100% consideration is paid.
Then
And
why-
along with paying 100% sale consideration,
Why you did not initiate specific performance?
specific performance, because there was matters were pending before this court, my Lord.
You have taken a chance there.
My Lord, I have not taken the chance, my Lord, because now once the land acquisition is set aside, land goes back to the owner. Then immediately they
That
have
is
to-
why ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು
My Lord,
suit ನ.
there was no time, my Lord. Immediate to 2008, the BDA has issued a notification acquiring this particular property. Then, my Lord, it was the several landowners.
Time ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. You should have initiated that action of filing a suit,
In
sir.
fact, my Lord, the order of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Sir, you are an agreement holder.
Yes.
All right. Agreement was entered into of lands which were subject matter of preliminary notification.
Please, my Lord.
Preliminary notification, final notification is issued, it is set aside. Land goes back to the landowners.
Please.
All right. If you are entitled, at best you are entitled to compensation.
That's right.
Correct? Then, now when it is again notified, by then you should have filed a suit for specific performance.
The reason why it could not file was the matter was pending for Supreme Court.
No,
my Lord.
no.
Matter was pending
No,
for
no.
Supreme Court. Your Lordship, I kindly. see
ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ
the
ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
definition.
Have you filed a suit now?
But I cannot file a suit now because. the
Now
suit
you
is-
cannot Allah. Now you can,
Well, it
specific
suit-
performance, at least for the purpose of compensation, you should
Once a
have
notification. is
registered.
issued- Once a notification is issued, my respectful submission, the suit is not maintainable. I cannot file
Sir,
a
you
suit. for
you
specific
can't
purpose.
challenge the notification, true.
Yes.
But you are an agreement holder.
Yes.
An agreement holder has to get the sale deed registered only by way of a specific performance. If they don't come forward, you should have registered. An agreement holder in an acquisition is entitled to compensation at best. All right. That is determinable. But you should have agitated your right somewhere. Agreement itkombuಟ್ಟು 20 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ I am entitled to compensation.
Now, kindly see, immediately after the notification, this court quashed the.
I am not saying for a moment that you should challenge acquisition before the civil court is not maintainable. Your act of getting the agreement to its logical conclusion.
Now I have no other remedy, my lord.
Lord,
Now I have
Lord, the
given a
Supreme
detailed.
Court
ಈಗ
said-
ಎಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ?
100% sale consideration. I have
My
produced,
lord,
my lord.
I will submit, my lord. Lord, the Honorable Supreme Court, my
No,
lord.
that's all right. Now you have the land also and his money also.
Lord, if he files a suit for recovery of the money, my lord, then whatever the Honorable
No,
Court.
say
will decide.
100% consideration ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಂಡು, now you have the bonanza.
No, no.
Land is also with you. Now again acquisition, again you have got compensation. ಅವ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡು ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಆಯ್ತು.
Lord, may I make one
Is
submission?
it fair, sir? What is all?
No, may I will make one submission. The Honorable Supreme Court has said that his document, this agreement for sale are barred by law and used the word wholly unsustainable in law in paragraph 45.
That
40?
was in
45, my lord. Paragraph 45, last page. My lord.
The Supreme Court went into this aspect also.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, but it's barred by law. ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ?
Lord, whatever.
Whether agreement is barred by law or not. How can you have both the benefits?
No, my lord, it is not like that, my lord. My lord, if we have not taken any steps at all, my lord.
That's all right, sir. We have not taken money or not. 100% sale consideration.
Lord, that is, my lord, the GVK Rao committee has also said. my lord,
ಏನಾರ ಇರಲಿ ಸರ್.
so many.
100% ಸೇಲ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್. What should happen to
No,
them?
my lord, it has all happened between the middleman and the landowner. my lord.
What? ನಿಮ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
Well, no, my lord, that
ಯಾಕೆ?
is the complete amount.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್
ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್? ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. Now you have the land, you have got compensation because of the acquisition from BDA.
Yes, my lord, it is
ಹೌದಾ?
still under.
ಅಲ್ಲ, whatever, acquisition from BDA, then we will direct BDA not to release any compensation to you.
There is a direction by this court, my lord. after
Not to
hearing-
release, huh?
Yes, my lord.
Not
not
correct.
There is
not
a
to
direction by
precipitate.
this court already,
Not to
my lord.
precipitate.
After
See,
hearing the
there
media
should
counsel.
be fairness in action. It's not correct. Legally, we will see, but you tell me you are correct on. You forget the case. The action is correct. If you are on the petitioner shoes, tell me.
Lord,
ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Lord,
Because Supreme Court has set it aside, ಅದು agreement is void ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. Agreement is void ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ದುಡ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ.
we will not advise that. Will not advise that. my lord.
Whoever it is, sir, you should be fair. It's not correct. ಈಗ now you are having a bonanza of acquisition money, and he has lost his money with the agreement,
Lord,
struggling to get it back. He has not filed a suit, correct, specific performance or whatever.
Lord, my lord.
Don't really, will direct BDA not to release a pie to you. You can't have the cake and eat it too. It's not correct at all. Prakash sir, ಹೇಳಿ ತಪ್ಪೋ ಇಲ್ವೇ?
I also do not contribute to that view, Lord.
ಯಾರ್ದಾರು ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮನಿ ಸರ್. ಮನಿ ನೀವು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಮೇ ಬಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹಂಗಂತ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
My lord, then have it next week, my lord, I will take instructions.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದಿ ಮನಿ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್. ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದಿ ಮನಿ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟೈಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ವಾಪಸ್.
I will take instruction and we will return the money, madam.
Whatever the amount that has been taken under the agreement with some interest.
ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ?
that
ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Right, this is
And with this finding of the apex court that it is,
Respect of Malad, there was only intervention application was filed.
whatever, if the observation of the apex court, it's apex court's observation.
Malad, not is in respect of this BD acquisition.
If compensation sigad bari kashta.
Right.
ನೀವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದೇರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್.
Your Lordship, Malad, judgment, once there is an agreement of sale, I am an interested person.
100% interested person, I'm not saying no.
That has to be
Definitely,
decided by the
because
court.
you have paid 100% consideration, you are an interested person.
But in
But,
such an event, Malad, the matter will have to go to the court to decide the matter. How can a land acquisition officer brush aside my document?
If he
and
goes
say
to
that,
court,
Malad,
Malad, this observation of the Supreme
that
Court will
power,
come in.
Malad,
ಆಮೇಲೆ
is not.
I'll tell you, ಇದು ಬರೋದು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. You are caught in a quandary now. It's very difficult.
Lord, we will take instruction, my Lord, in that direction we will take.
Because ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
We understand.
You should ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಾಕಿ ಅವಾಗ you should ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ they would also come. ಇವೇನು ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
Supreme Court order ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ the BDA issued a notification. That's the reason why suits were not.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಅಕ್ವಿಸಿಷನ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ನೀವು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ agitated your rights, it would have been protected now. Anyway, ನೀವು ಎರಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ see what can be done.
I will take
ತಪ್ಪಾಗ
instruction, yes, my Lord.
ದುಡ್ಡು ಯಾರ್ದಾರ ದುಡ್ಡು
Some
ತಪ್ಪಾಗ.
equity, my Lord, has to prevail.
ಲೀಗಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೀಗಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. See what is given. ಇದನ್ನ I'll take it on ಬುಧವಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ, list on Wednesday.
Interim order grant is continued.
That will continue.
Please.
Your Honor, after vacation.
Eh?
But because I have
Wednesday.
to engage the.
ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಅವ್ರ ಕೊಲೀಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
No. I am the connected matter.
My Lord, the Trinity, my Lord, the society second petition,
List
my
on
Lord.
Wednesday. Yes. Yes. Yes, Vikram sir, what are you waiting for?
Number 143 I was mentioning.
Respondent ಯಾರು?
Respondent notice issue
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
Very simple matter. Suit for recovery filed by ICICI Bank against us. ICICI
ಸ್ಟೇ
Bank.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
Not at first. ICICI Bank, this is a USAID scheme. Your Lordship, you have seen recently in the newspapers, Donald Trump disbanded this USAID. They had donated some commodities, farming commodities to the government of India. The government of India was authorized to sell those commodities. 70% of the value of those commodities, 70% would be sold to the market. Now 30% would be given by way of loans and or grants. To NGOs only by way of grants. ICICI Bank admittedly is only the implementing agency. Now, my lords, those monies, about 2 crores rupees, was given to us some time ago, many years ago.
Now, what is under challenge?
Now, what
7 Rule 11.
Order 7 Rule 11, saying that there is no cause of action simply because.
Who is the plaintiff?
That is precisely the question. It should have been.
ICICI Bank.
Government of India should have been the plaintiff. ICICI Bank is only the implementing agency. Government of India has not made a party.
Who are you?
I am the one who had got the grant.
From
ICICI, from the government of India through ICICI Bank. USAID initially gives it to government of India.
This requires decision. The heard the learned senior counsel, the Vikram Huligol appearing for the petitioner. Petitioner to serve on the counsel representing the plaintiff, the ICICI Bank, before the concerned court and file an acknowledgement of such service. The learned senior counsel taking this court through the documents appended to the petition prima facie demonstrates that the plaintiff ICICI Bank is only an implementing agency through the government of India. The suit is instituted as if they are the agency which is entrusted from the hands of the USAID.
Correct. Not just that, but they are independently reclaiming it. On whose behalf? Not on government of India.
At best, it would be the government of India should have been aggrieved and not the ICICI Bank. In that light, further proceedings before the concerned court shall remain stayed till the next date. Date. ಇನ್ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
152 ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್? 1725 dismissed. For the reasons indicated in the affidavit accompanying the application and being satisfied with the same, recalled, restored. Yes.
151, my lords, 14 years rents have not been paid. 14 years. We have made an application not so that, and the CRP was dismissed saying that, I'm sorry, the
Who's the respondent? What happened to the other school matter?
school matter has not come up.
Why more ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ? ನಿಮಗೂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು?
ತಾವು ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Where your colleague had argued.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyway, ಇದೇನು?
It's for 14 years, rents have not been paid. 14 years. The
Respondent ಯಾರು?
Mr.
ಯಾರು
Viraj
ಇಲ್ಲ.
used to appear, my lords. The way if it can be taken up on Monday, my lords, at least.
Monday ಇಲ್ಲ. We'll take it on Tuesday.
I'm
List on Tuesday. Yes.
Serial number 141, my lords.
137, my lordship.
137. ಏನ್ ಗಂಗಾಧರ ಹೆಸರು?
I'm from.
7 rule 11, my lords,
For,
my learned friend
respondent.
is telling that he has not received the copy. In fact, my lordship has directed me to serve the copy on the party.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Let's see.
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
I'm for
7 rule
respondent
11,
in
a suit
case
for
number.
partition, my lord.
Petition ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
I'm not received the copy
56
from
partitions,
petitioner.
leading ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ.
I'm not received from copy.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Tuesday ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
Petition.
Time may be
After
Tuesday.
vacation, my lordship,
Tuesdays.
immediate.
Tuesday.
We'll stay it and post after vacation.
Tuesday, my lords.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
After vacation ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
My lords, serial
Tuesday, my lords.
ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
141, my lords, serial number 141.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
No, my lords, I am for the respondent. I was not served the IA copy, my lords, and I have filed wakalat on 14th August, but my name was not displayed. And on-
Yes, Manjunath.
Yes, my lords, on 28/8, without my presence, they've obtained a stay from this one.
List on Tuesday.
Great.
Yes.
Serial number 161, my lord. Serial number 161. It's a 6th round of litigation filed by the petition respondents, my lord.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ final hearing, sir. Yes, after vacation. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ after
hearing.
vacation. Yes.
A connected matter ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 rule 11 disposal ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ.
Yes, yes, after vacation. Next.
7 Dharwad matter.
Serial number 146 and 147. Those two CRPs, my lords, where my lords directed the trial court to.
146 and
Until today.
147.
Yes, please.
My lords,
As a
correct.
my lords, I was appearing in the trial
Yes,
court
kodi.
on last date of hearing, that is on 17/9.
May.
My lords.
First, let me
Please.
submit.
Yes, sir.
Please.
On the maintainability, my lords, by mistaken impression, my lords, I withdrew the CRP, contending that an appeal lies under section 13. My lords, I had produced few judgments, my lords, on the last occasion, my lords. If my lords would have my judgments, my lords. Lords, one judgment, my lords, of the Delhi High Court.
Yes.
Lords, has the list of citations that's been furnished by me, my lords. This is the judgment, my lords, of the Delhi High Court in the case of Container Corporation of India. My lords,
Yes,
may I
yes.
straight away take my lords' attention to para 9, my lords.
Yes, sir.
Para 4, 5 and 9 at page 2, my lords. An order this is my application, my lords, under order 7 rule 11 came to be rejected before the commercial court. My lords, at para 4, my lords, an order rejecting the application under order 7 rule 11 of the CPC is not one of the orders that has been enumerated under order 43 of rule 1 of the CPC. Therefore, in terms of section 13 clause 1A of the Commercial Courts Act, the present appeal is not maintainable. Now,
All right,
further,
we will hold it to be maintainable. Come on, merits.
please.
Yes.
Very well. My lords,
You have-
counterclaim
Counterclaim.
is
Correct.
filed by a co-defendant. My lords, the only judgment, my lords, that the defendant number 1 who has filed the counterclaim, my lords, relies on a judgment of the Supreme Court, my lords, in Rohit Singh versus State of Bihar.
Yes, correct. 2006 12 SEC.
Please. My lords, I had, my lords, relied on a judgment of, my lords, Madam.
Now, what is the order that is passed, sir?
My application for rejection of counter claim has been rejected. That my lords may find the finding at page 53 to 56 at para 30 and 31. 56 of the impugned order for a moment, my lords. May I please, my lords?
One moment, sir. Now, go to the impugned order.
Please, page 53, my lords, is the
50?
reasoning, my lords. Page 53 of the impugned order. There were two applications filed, my lords, one by the plaintiff seeking for rejection of the counterclaim and one by me who was the defendant number 2 in the suit.
Now,
Page
711 is rejected.
Both applications filed by the plaintiff and as well as the petitioner before my lords have been rejected.
All right.
My lords, my contention was that, my lords, that a counterclaim as against a co-defendant would not be maintainable. They were supposed to file a separate suit. All that my contention was that. Now, if my lords,
I have written one on counterclaim. Which is I'm searching that.
I had relied, my lords, on this judgment of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, my lords, which had also considered, my lords, Rohit Singh versus State of Bihar and held. I'm sorry.
Samruddhi.
Sir, judgment only. Judgment. Please. No problem. Just for my reference.
Lords, I have taken up the contention that a counterclaim as against a co-defendant would not be maintainable, my lords. The trial court, my lords, relying on the judgment of Rohit Singh versus State of Bihar.
That is 2006.
Please. And ignoring, my lords, the judgment of Ashok Kumar Sharma versus Rakesh Kumar Sharma, my lords, where, my lords, the Punjab and Haryana High Court dealt with Rohit Singh and said, my lords, that the Supreme Court had never visited the issue of whether a counterclaim is maintainable against a co-defendant or not. If my lords should kindly peruse, my lords, the judgment that I just gave.
Ashok Kumar.
Ashok Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Para. Para. Please. Para 9, I'm sorry. Para 9, my lords. May I please, my lords, at page 3. Defendants number 3 to 5.
The order of the court is correct.
May I take 5 minutes of my lord's time?
Please.
Para 9, my lords.
The order of the court is correct.
If my lords would permit me to convince my lords. Just, my lords, 5 minutes of my lord's time.
Ashok Kumar, Rohit, Amal Inyaudu.
There's also a judgment of the Supreme Court very recently, my lords. That's Rahul Manoj Shah alias Ajeshwari. Monne judgment, 15th.
Take it. This is against you.
No.
Then?
It is not against me. It says.
No, it follows Rohit.
No, my lords, if my lords would kindly consider Rohit Singh for a moment in that case, my lords. May I convince on Rohit Singh? My lords, the facts in Rohit Singh, my lords.
6 o'clock. We'll take it on Tuesday.
Yes. No issues, my lords. My only request, my lords, let the proceedings
to also get ready.
My lords,
all right.
my only submission
I'll give those judgments.
On merit, my lords, let my friend pursue. My only point is this, my lords. Tomorrow, the matter was already posted and he is a client from Trivandrum, that is Trivandrum. He comes and he is tendering his evidence. Now, my lords, at the instance of the orders of this honorable court, often by him to defer the stage. Now, my lords, the matter is set for evidence. Now, my only submission is this.
Let the evidence be recorded. So what?
No, no, no.
And-
It is not
and-
about.
and added to that,
It is not about him letting the evidence. If my lord should kindly see the order sheet for a moment.
All right, yes,
I'm
Tuesday.
sorry. ಅಲ್ಲ 12,000 ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
The day when he commences
That's
chief,
the only point.
Tuesday. Yes.
then because the matter
Not
is
to come.
posted tomorrow, my lords, I cannot cross examine.
Ask him not to come, sir.
Please, my lords, my evidence is to be tendered, my lords. Even for that,
I have
there is.
deferred the proceedings anyway. List on Tuesday.
The interim order may continue.
That will continue.
Please.
I may be permitted to file wakalat for.
Please do.
Please.
List on
Until
Tuesday.
Tuesday, my lords.
Yes.